Here comes Amy Childs. We're joined here today to join this boy and this girl, Amy Childs and John Grimes, here in the scenic atmosphere.
This is my most happiest
The Big
day
Brother
ever.
house. On this day, we remember that we're here only for fun and that people should get married.
This isn't real.
Do you, John, take Amy Childs to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
And do you, Amy Childs, take John to be your lawfully wedded wife?
Husband.
Oh, okay, I'll start again. Do you, John, take Amy Childs to be your lawfully wedded wife?
Yes.
Do you,
I
Amy
do.
Childs, take John to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Now, say your vows, John. What do you got to say to Amy Childs before you get married?
What do you want to say?
I don't know, just how much you love her.
Okay. I promise to let you, do anything you ever want to do, okay?
To love her,
To love you.
to take her everywhere you go,
To take you everywhere I go.
to gel and spike her hair when she wants to,
Gel and spike your hair whenever you want to.
and to take her back to her original roots, Essex.
And take you back to her.
Now, Amy, it's time for your vows. When John's doing something bad, you will tell him to shut up.
When John's doing something bad, I will tell him to shut up.
You love John, and you will take him until you die.
I love you, John. I will take you until you die.
And when he needs a spray tan, you will give him a spray tan.
And when you need to spray tan your life, darling, I'll give you a massive orange spray tan.
And
Now.
if you ever need a hug, I will give you a jet hug.
Okay, you may hug or kiss the bride, whatever you want to do. It's your wedding.
Hug it out.
Amazing.
I love you.
Now go off and do your honeymoon, whatever you want to do.
Just kidding.
Thank you. Bye.
We're married now.
We're
married. I'm married. Amazing. Go wife.
Thank you. Thank you.
It doesn't work unless you kiss the bride.
No,
Of course
we
I'm on
don't
my
kiss.
own. I'm like
We're
a
on the
priest.
Deadwood wedding.
We're married.
We don't kiss, we just cuddle.
Yeah.
No, you're not. No, you gotta kiss the bride.
Now you've
We're
got to
married
go.
now.
Now you've got to go and consummate the marriage. Come on.
What does that mean?
Well, you know what consummation is.
I don't know what big words mean.
I better not say.
Come on,
I'll have
John.
their mother on the phone.